who's actually currently, what are they doing? They don't have any truck owned by them. They don't own a truck. Instead, they are spending rupees 50 per ton for transportation. So the company now wants to consider a proposal that whether they should own a truck. Okay. And what is the proposal in front of them? The proposal in front of them is to purchase a 10-ton or a 8-ton capacity truck. Okay. So out of the two, they have to purchase one truck. Fine. Okay. Whatever I have marked in green is fixed cost and blue is variable cost. Okay. So start with, and it was a composite unit sum, right? Yeah. Fine. So start calculation of running kilometers. Write the formula. Number of vehicle into number of trips into number of ways into kilometers run into days in a month. Okay, it's a monthly cost sheet, right? So first we are going to calculate for 10-ton truck. Okay, 10-ton truck. Right. So number of vehicle. How many vehicle you have of 10-ton truck? Only one. Into number of trips. How many trips are there? 5 round trips to and fro. That means return journey. So number of trips is 5 and it's a round trip. So we are going to take into 2 also. Correct? Into kilometers run. How much are kilometers run? 6 kilometers. So 6 into days in a month. Okay? Days in a month is also mentioned in the question. Yeah, 24 days in a month. So 24. Right? Same. You're going to do for 8-ton truck. There is only one truck which is of 8 ton. Same 5 kilometer, 5 round trips. So 5 into 2 into 6 kilometers into 6 kilometers into 24. Okay. Let us calculate. What is the calculation? 1 into 5 into 2 into 6 into 24. So I'll do it directly. 10 into 6 into 24. So that makes it to 1440. 1440 kilometers. Okay. नेक्स्ट दूसरे का आंसर भी ऑब्वियसली सेम आएगा 1440 किलोमीटर्स okay and don't forget your running kilometers will be your running cost, that is your variable cost, will be calculated on this figure. Okay, don't forget that your fixed cost will be calculated on your variable cost will be calculated on running kilometers 1440. Okay, now let us calculate 10 kilometers. Okay, running kilometers into number of tons carried or tons carried into percentage capacity. Okay, fine. So Kilometers run, so we just got 1440 respectively. Tons carried. So it's a 10-ton truck. Matlab the carrying capacity is 10 tons. Okay. So here I'm gonna write 10. Okay. 10, and here it will be 8 for the second one. One truck is having a carrying capacity of 10 tons and the other one is 8 tons. Okay. In absence of information, obviously, what have I told you all to assume? When percentage capacity is not given, yeah, give the answer in the chat box. If percentage capacity is not given in the question, then what are we supposed to assume? वेरी गुड, या 100%. ओके, हम ये सोचेंगे कि ट्रक पूरा भरा हुआ जाएगा, भरा हुआ आएगा. ओके, फाइन, गुड. सो हियर यू राइट 100%. Okay, yeah. Again, C division and D3, right? I will be doing the working notes for you all. Yeah. And the sum you guys are going to solve. The next lecture we'll discuss on the final answer. Discuss means I'll take first the final answer from you all and then I'll share the final answer. Clear? Okay. So the important part of the question I'm doing the working notes for you all. You just have to do what? Prepare the operating cost sheet and calculate cost per ton kilometer. Okay, fine. So these two working notes are a part of the question. Also, I will help you all in calculating one more thing. Wait, I will help you all in calculating depreciation also, and I will also help you all in calculating cost of diesel. Clear, everyone? Okay, fine. Let us do that. So working note number 1, working note number 2, and working note number 3. Let us come to that. Okay. So this is the formula. When do we use this formula? Anyone? When do we use this depreciation formula, which is there on screen? Cost minus scrap upon life of the asset. Give the reason in the chat box. When do we use this formula? Cost minus scrap divided by life of the asset. When is this formula used? Under what circumstances? Okay. Okay, no one can answer on this. Why do you use this formula? I mean, when do you use this formula? Cost minus scrap upon life of asset. We have been doing this formula since 11th standard. What is the reason behind using this formula? So this formula is used when percentage of depreciation is not given. Okay, rate of depreciation is missing in the question. That time we use this formula. Okay, then you have to search for the what do you call, the elements of the formula, like cost of the asset, scrap value, life of the asset, all that. Okay, next. So cost is 10 lakhs, scrap value is not given in the question, 0, 5 years. Okay, and since it's a monthly cost sheet, so I will divide it with 12 also. Fine. So 10 lakhs minus 0 divided by 5. 10 lakhs divided by 5 divided by 12 directly. Okay, rounded off. 16,667. Okay, and in this question, depreciation is a fixed cost. Okay, next, 8 lakhs divided by 5 and divide by 12 as well. 13,333.333. Okay, again, it's a fixed cost because life of the asset is not given in kilometers run. If the life of the asset is given in kilometers run, then the same cost will become a variable cost. Okay. Next, we'll calculate lubricants. Okay. Now let's see the information. Lubricants per 100 kilometers, 20 rupees, 20 rupees. For both the case, it is same. So no need to do different working notes, two different working notes and waste your time. You can combine the working note. Am I clear on this? Okay. Since they both have the same cost for 100 kilometers, we can combine the working note. Fine. So right here, lubricants 10-ton truck and 8-ton truck. दोनों का आंसर सेम ही आने वाला है, right? So combine the working note, save the time. Okay. So for just a minute, yeah. 100 kilometers ka you're paying 20 rupees. Okay. And both of them have the same running kilometers as well, 1440. So if the truck runs 1440 kilometers, cross multiply, how much will be the cost? Okay. So 1440 into 20 divided by 100. So my answer is 288. So write it here. 288. Yeah. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear till here to everyone? Yeah. All the 4 working notes are clear to everyone. Okay, fine. Good. Next, come to calculation of diesel. Okay. So diesel information is cost of diesel is rupees 16 per liter. Okay. So for 1 liter it is 16 rupees. Okay, for 1 liter it is 16 rupees. Now let us see what other information is there about diesel. Yeah, see this information, highlighted one in blue, kilometers per liter of diesel. So for the first truck, for 1 liter, it is going up to 3 kilometers. And for the other truck, for 1 liter, it is going up to 4 kilometers. Okay. So for 1 liter, it is going up to 3 kilometers. And 1 liter ka it is 16 rupees. So for 1440 kilometers, how much? Cross multiply. 1440 into 16 divided by 3. 7680. So the answer is 7680. Okay. And then for the next one, 10-ton truck. Yeah. Same base. For 1 liter, it is 16 rupees. 1 liter, it goes up to 4 kilometers. So for 1440 kilometers, how much? Cross multiply. So 1440 into 16 divided by 4. So my answer is 5760. 5760. Clear, everyone? Okay. So all the 5 working notes are clear to everyone? Yeah. Okay. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. All the 5 working notes are clear to everyone. No doubts. Okay. So from your end, what are you gonna do? You're gonna make the transport cost sheet for this sum. Okay. Yeah. Particulars column and then truck 10-ton truck column. In that 2 columns, amount column and the 10 kilometers column. Then for the 8-ton truck, third column, in that 2 sub columns, amount column and the 10 kilometers column. Clear? Okay. Last lecture, I am just showing you the final answer. That is 6.89 and 7.18. Okay. So currently, how much is the company paying? They are paying 50 rupees for per ton. Okay. Fine. वो भी लॉरी उनकी खुद की नहीं है. They don't own a truck. So now the option in front of them is to purchase either of the one truck. So which is the best option? Obviously the least one. So which is the least cost? The least cost is 6 rupees 89 paisa. The other truck is 7 rupees 18 paisa. So out of the two, which has the least cost price? The first truck, 10-ton truck, has the least cost price. So the company should opt for purchasing the first truck. Okay. So this is what is expected by you in the answer. See, so the company, since it is the less cost, the company should purchase the 10-ton truck. Okay. Make a note of this. Note it down. Any doubts to anyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box if you have understood the question. Okay, Sayatin Sarkar. Okay, you already got this answer. Great. So, did you, did you consider this 50%? Okay, very good then. Great. So we have someone who's thinking out of the box also. Great. So many times I'll do that, students. If I give you any sum for an homework or where I'll tell you ki next day I will discuss the answer. So just remember, there's some twist in the question, obviously. I just thought people who will go through will, because when you do the sum again, you go through the question, right? So it strikes the second or maybe the third time. So great. Okay. So this was one of the old papers of TY BAF plus one of the old papers of CA Inter. Okay. I know the whole question ain't that difficult. Only the twist part should be clicked to the students, then it is easy. Okay. Otherwise, converting these yearly figures into monthly or monthly figures into yearly, that's not a great deal. These things are easy. Okay. Right?